In today's video, I'm going to do shop reviews of the shops that you have given to me. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and guys, like, subscribe, comment is also appreciated. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Wish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year, and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me in this way, and please subscribe my video and like, comment is also appreciated. So let's get started. So the first video for the review is we have Barun Kumar Sen, and he's from India and he got 132 designs. The banner is good, but I would suggest if you make banner just like your make resembles to your profile photo, so change it please. So because if a customer comes in, he want to see something very cheerful and very jollyful, so you have to put something very beautiful on the cover image as it's the front image of your shop. And the total designs is 132, and it's a good number. I suggest you to upload more designs, as I told already that Redbubble is just a number game. So all the designs are very good, and he's using sticker pack, and this is a very good one, and he's using sticker pack as a front image. And I think this dude is more artistic, and he's making such very beautiful designs. So let's get to the bottom. And he got 638 favorite, nice, and he got 195 followings, 146 followers. All right, and we look towards one of his designs. He enabled this on 80 products. Dude enabled this design on all the products, as you never know which design is going to sell best. So do this as soon as possible. Upload to the more designs. If we look towards his tag section is a good, and he's not using tag spamming or extra tags. Or moreover, dude, use your shop name just like this one in your tag section, as it helps you to be found on Redbubble whenever someone typed your shop or typed your designs. So make sure to put your shop name on your tags as well. Overall, your shop is a very good one, and I really liked your shop. My tip and advice for you is try to use simple fonts, make designs using simple fonts as well, and moreover use sticker packs just like you using this type of sticker pack. Make more sticker packs, as it enables you to get more sales and put some more sales, and overall your shop is very good, and I'm really impressed from your shop. The second shop we are going to review is Soto Prod, and he got 100 designs. And let's watch his shop, and the cover image very is good, and it's related to his profile picture, and I will give 10 by 10 to you, dude. So he's making simple text based designs using sticker pack as your front image, making designs on Halloween, and I think going in the right way. Dude, don't do this way. Make designs on simple things, and bro, you are using more shirts as your front image. Use sticker packs or use stickers as your front image, and I'm also liking some stickers here. Make more stickers, as just you are using this as your front image. Use all these typographic things as your front image, as it gives more room for the customer to buy or purchase. This simple design is also a good one. If we get to the bottom of his shop, he got 18 favorite, and my advice for you guys is to upload more designs. As I told you that Redbubble is just a number game, so you can do it. If we look towards his product, he enabled this on 74 products. Dude enabled on all the products, as I told earlier that you never know which design is going to sell best. So upload on all the products, and he's using right tags. My advice for you is don't use just like you are using panic, and use just it once, and try to write your tags under 10 to 15 in numbers. And overall your shop is very good, and I'm really impressed. Just upload more designs and put sticker as your front image, and soon I believe you're going to make sales. The next shop we are going to review is T-shirt A, and he's from Ireland, and he got 94 designs. And let's watch his designs. He has a good designs. This is a good one, this is also a good one, this is also a good one, and this is also a good one. I really like all his designs. Let's get to the bottom and watch. And he got 41 favorites. Dude, try to upload more designs, as I told that Redbubble is just a number game, so try to upload more. Set your target to 200, and once you reach your 200 target, set your target more to 300. So let's watch is one of his designs. and he enabled this design on 22 only 22 products. Do try to upload your designs on all the products, irrespective of this thing that it's looking good or it's not looking good. You never know which thing customer is going to buy and which thing is going to purchase, so guys, do it. And if we look towards his tag section, his tag section is a good one, and he's using some tags, and yes, it's a good shop and I really like his shop. And do try to use your shop name in your tags as well. So this is it. Upload more designs and keep going in this way, and I also like your cover and profile picture as well. The next shop we are going to review is Blaze Blade 365, and he got 191 designs, and also his cover photo and profile picture is very cool, and like his coloring sense and an artistic sense. And he's using he's using mask as his front image and using also simple text based design and this type of designs, and I really like his shop. Dude, your shop is really a good one and I like it very much. And if we get to the bottom, he got 572 results. Yes, just because he's using the right technique. So, and I think you are making sales, so do try to upload more designs, get to the 500, and once you reach the 500, set your target to the 1000, as this is the thing that makes me a lot of sales. And if we look towards one of his designs, he enabled this product on 82 products, and there are more products, there are more items to upload it on all the products as well. And if we look towards his tag section, oh my god, he got very lots of tags. Do try to use tags like 10 to 15, as according to Redbubble it's very suitable, and they also refer such type of designs more to the public. And also use your shop name in the tag section. Most of you guys are not using your shop name in your tag section. Overall, your shop is very good one, and I like your all the designs. You're using stickers as your front image, and also using sticker packs. So this is a sticker pack. So bro, I wish you very good luck and keep doing in this way, and I think this is the best shop I have reviewed so far. The next shop we are going to review is Take Your Item, and he got 180 designs, and the profile picture and the cover picture is also really good. But do try to make resemblance in both profile picture and cover picture, as it catches the eyes of the customer. And if we look towards your designs, you got very good designs, and you also got collections. Guys, also make collection, as collection enables customer to choose or decide which design he's going to buy and what he's not going to buy. So collection is the best way to get more sales. And he's using t-shirts. Bro, use sticker as your front image. Just you use this way, because when you put sticker as your front image and it's showing $1.25, customer jump onto your design, and he's probably going to buy from you or going to buy something from your shop. So put sticker as your front image. And he's also using baby shirts and all this stuff on his front image, and I really liked it. And if we jump to the bottom, he got 82 favorite, and it's a good one. Try to make sticker or sticker packs as your front image, then you will get more favorites and get more sales. And if we look towards one of his designs, he enabled this design on 72 products. Enable this design, bro, on all the products, as you never know where the luck is coming. So upload it on all the products. And if we look towards your tag section is very good, and you're using 10 to 15 tags. Also put your shop name in your tag section as well. So this is it for you. Upload more designs and change your cover picture and your profile and make resemble in both of them, and put stickers as your front image and sticker packs and make more sticker packs. The next shop we are going to review is Go 3im, and he is using very great cover photo and also using very good profile picture, and he's from Algeria. And let's watch towards his designs. He's also making collection, that's a good sign. And he's using mask as a front image, also making designs on Halloween and putting it stickers as his front image, and also using such type of Halloween related to cat niche. Dude, you are doing really good and I'm really impressed. And he also got 151 designs. And when we get to the bottom, we see here 215 favorites. So also add typographic designs to your shop as well and put them as your front image, and this is a good one. If you look one of his designs, he enabled this design on only 69 products to try to upload this design on more products, as it increases your chance of getting more and more sales. And if we look towards your tag section, your tag section is really good and it's very limited. Also use your shop name in your tag section as it to get more and more sales. So this is it, you are going great. Just put simple typographic or simple text-based designs, as well as it encourages more people to buy from you, and overall you are doing very great and I'm really impressed. So this is it from my side, guys. If you want your shop to be reviewed, DM me your shop link on my Instagram, and my Instagram link is in the description below. And guys, if you're watching till this end, thank you so much and keep supporting me in this way. And whenever I got 500 subscribers, I will reveal the method, or will tell you guys the method how can you get paid Canva as free. So guys, keep supporting me in this way and I will get back to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Cheers.